You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature. Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Excited to revisit another one of the Crazy Aaron's Thinking Putty.
Not this guy again.
Sports games.
Oh, man. I got to know Crazy Aaron a little too closely last game, LPS-Dave, getting pelted with soccer balls.
For those of you that don't know, I have worked with Crazy Aaron's for many years.
And I haven't.
They've actually sent me a variety of putty over the years, but these I picked up on their website because I thought they were pretty cool and be fun to do with Butch.
Thanks, LPS-Dave.
Now, we went through all these on the last video. We read the backs, and we played just for kicks, which is a lot of fun. I won. And
I wasn't very good at that one.
Yeah, no, I won. I think today we're going to try the baseball cornhole.
Yes!
What do you think about that?
Home run, LPS-Dave.
All right, so this was a lot of fun. You actually can make your soccer ball in any size. And Butch actually was a better goalie than he was a kicker. And then you just take your putty. If you want to watch that video, please check out the channel. You would just go like that and wham! And Crazy Aaron
Nice going, Crazy Aaron.
All right, let's check out baseball cornhole.
Cornhole.
All right, ages 4+. This is the box. Let's just see. Play ball! The baseball cornhole thinking putty set combines all the fun of America's pastime with everyone's favorite backyard game. What do you think about that?
You know what they say? Cornhole, apple pie, and Toyota. I think that's what it is, isn't it, LPS-Dave?
I don't think so.
No. It's baseball, corn on the cob.
Yes. Ice cream.
Buick. There was a car in there somewhere.
I say ice cream.
Ice cream. Yeah. This is making me hungry talking about cornhole. Think about corn chips, corn on the cob. Corn cakes.
I'm a little unsure of how it's actually going to work. There's more corn when they sit like this. So, but it's upside down. So let's just leave it like that till we can read it. All right, let's see. Get that out of the way.
I wonder if you have to pitch the ball through like a baseball pitcher.
Well, it is standing up. Step 1, put a small amount of putty on the base of the game board to keep it level and secure flat, smooth surface.
Yes.
After you set up your game, usually when you make a baseball, make sure you explain what size and find your perfect pitch.
Hey, can you share that with the class, LPS-Dave?
Gather up, hold the ball between your thumb and forefinger and aim it toward the game thumb and forefinger. Is that a forefinger? What's a forefinger?
Index finger, forefinger, pointer finger.
Pointer.
First finger.
Singles are the safest bet. Just for fun, see how many runs you can score. Challenge a friend. Keep moving the game board to set the record for the longest single, double, or triple.
Interesting.
Put a small amount of putty on the base. All right, let's get the putty.
We proved last time that the Thinking Aaron's putty is a useful tool to hold things down like the goalie.
Yeah, did it say that in that one, or we actually did that on our own?
Invented.
We invented
this
that.
one. They are suggesting you do that. Okay.
Home run! That other putty was neat. It had little black speckles in it. This one, almost looks like it glows in the dark in a way, doesn't it?
Intriguing.
So I'm guessing the red is like the stripes in a baseball. There's like little red striations.
Just ground up.
Okay, and press down the okay. Now you're ready to play. See the reverse side for game. Let me just change the angle slightly so I can. I think I like it better underneath, like that. Okay.
A big goober of putty.
So you're basically just throwing it.
Yes, sir.
Perfect pitch.
From different distances, LPS-Dave.
Okay, so I'm just taking it, and I'm guessing that if this was the size, right?
You wouldn't be getting many triples or doubles or singles.
I think they'd all be pretty difficult. So let's bring in a little baseball, a little tiny baseball.
So the largest circle there is an out. That's not good.
This is an out.
Yes.
This is a single.
Yes.
This is a double.
Yes.
This is a triple.
Correct.
So the double.
There's a lot of doubles. You'd think they would have put single and double on opposite there, LPS-Dave.
Yeah, I mean, the triple would be the hardest one, and then the double would be the next hardest one, and the single would be the easiest one.
Interesting.
All right, well, here we go. 6 inches, so I'm here, right? And
ooh, that's a foul ball.
That is a ricochet foul ball.
And a nice catch on your part.
Oh, they kind of show it underhanded like this.
Interesting.
No.
Tricky.
No.
Foul ball.
Yeah.
Bouncer.
I don't like throwing it that way, I guess.
Stand across the room and whip it, LPS-Dave.
I missed again. Here we go. I missed again. I can't even get it in the out.
Can you bounce it in, LPS-Dave? No. Can you just go up and place it in the hole?
I could. I want to do it this way, kind of straight. Ooh, it bounced in the triple. I'm hitting the triple.
No home run.
No home run.
Oh, boy. This feels like a real baseball game, LPS-Dave.
Yeah, nothing happened.
Nothing happening.
Till the 9th inning.
But there's no food. They should have packed food in this box.
Oh, that would like...
Boy, oh, boy. Get your peanuts and Cracker Jack here. Red Hots, Red Hots.
No, it's like programs. Get your programs. Right, I'm going to try a little smaller version.
That'll do
Maybe
it.
I'm just struggling
That'll
with the
do
size.
it. Lean into it, LPS-Dave.
Lean into
Give
it.
it a good swing.
And, ooh, off the top.
It's sticky, too, so it makes it tricky.
Ooh.
Sticky is tricky.
I wonder if it's just the angle.
Haven't gotten one through any of those 4 holes there so far. We'll edit this out, right?
No.
Hey, okay, all that, and we got an out.
Okay, where does it say that's an out?
It says it on the bottom right there, LPS.
Bottom right. Oh, I didn't see it. It's in the white. All right.
Right on the baseball.
All right, so I got an out,
Hey,
everybody.
congratulations getting one through, LPS-Dave.
I tell you what, we're gonna
37 foul balls, and then...
we're gonna take a smaller one here.
Oh, that's a good idea.
That's a nice baseball size. And here we go. Oh,
That was close.
it was close. Over the top.
Not even close. That should be a home run over the fence.
I'm thinking maybe you're right. Bouncing is the way. Let's try it again. Ooh,
Yeah, that was pretty close, too. That wasn't...
that was a bad bounce. Oh, an
Oh,
out.
2 outs.
Okay.
You only get 7 outs, LPS-Dave.
If you see the hand, does that look like an underhand
Looks
toss?
like he's underhand tossing.
And look at the size of that. It probably wouldn't even make it into the 2 holes. Okay, here we go. And underhand toss. Ooh.
Ringer.
Toss.
There's another out.
Out.
Whew. Not a lot of base runners on the path today, LPS-Dave. We got a no-hitter through 6 innings.
Well, it's harder than you think. Okay, I'll tell you what. I'm gonna
And that's hard, because I thought it was hard.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna reset it up. Maybe it's the distance. I'm gonna push
Maybe
it
it's
back.
the angle.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna try. We'll be back. All right, I've moved it back, so I'm not on that angle.
LPS-Dave, let me say, I've been practicing through the whole break there, and I've not gotten one through.
Yeah,
so you're not alone.
Yeah, I'm not sure we're going to be able to duel on this one. It is quite difficult, actually, to get in. We thought maybe, well, let's just try it again. Here we go. I would like to get at least 1 triple, 1 double, or 1 single. I've got
brother.
plenty of outs.
We might be here for a while.
Well, one of the 3.
Oh, I see. Not one of you.
Ready? And shoo. Oh, right off the bat.
There's a man on first. That breaks up the no-hitter.
So I got a single. I'm going for the double. Oh, off the
Ooh,
edge.
foul ball.
Okay, double. I need a double.
Close.
I feel like
saw
I'm
that one. It was close.
close.
You're dialing it in.
Oh,
We got runners on second and third.
Okay.
There's a big threat from the Lucky Penny Shop Tigers.
But the triple and the single are the same size. That's why I'm a little confused here. All right, a triple. Ooh, I hit underneath. Ooh,
there's a double. That clears the bases. We got a 2-run lead now for the Lucky
Really?
Penny Shoppers.
You're actually doing it? You're figuring it out. Here we go. Ooh, off the edge.
Foul ball, strike 1. 0-1. You know, Lucky Penny Shop Dave has been coming up through the farm system. He's an old timer, but really getting a chance in the majors here for the first time.
Ooh, I hit it.
There's a foul.
I hit it.
Foul ball, 0-2.
Oh, off the table.
Foul ball again, 0-2. We'll keep it in 0-2.
Right, so I would recommend that if you're in an area that's full of dust, don't play it there. Go to a tabletop, put up some blockers, and you should
Keep it
be
clean.
safe. Yeah.
Keep your putty clean. That's a good motto for life anyway, LPS-Dave.
Now, we were thinking, too, maybe if you put it the other way. We'll show everybody. Ooh, like
so
this. And then you just bounce it in. Right? Will that work? Let's see.
Changing the rules of the game midstream.
Ooh, did you see that? Ooh.
It's kind of random, though. If it hits a flat spot on the ball, it's not going to happen, LPS-Dave.
Yes.
Not a lot of control.
It feels good, though. It feels real good. Ooh.
They do like to bounce, I'll tell you. This stuff is bouncy.
It's very bouncy. That was a little mini-me.
Do they ever think about calling it Crazy Aaron's Bouncy Putty?
No, but they do say stretch it, bounce
Should
it.
maybe think about it.
Here we go, big ball.
Oh!
That hit the double. Did you see it?
Almost a double.
Yeah, you're right.
Well,
Oh,
folks, it's a good day at the ballpark. Every day is a good day at the ballpark. It's a beautiful day for a ball game. Let's play 2 today.
All right, so it is possible. At first we thought, it's really difficult, but it is difficult, but you can do it.
You can do it.
I don't know if
I can't do it.
Hit a
you
triple.
can do it.
No,
Oh, man, LPS-Dave.
All right, well, I think you get the game.
Oh,
that
was right
hit
there.
the triple.
Right there.
I hit the triple.
Uh-huh. The problem is you want to hit the circle underneath the triple.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Again, I hit the lip. I hit the lip. Here
Let
we go.
him fly.
Here we go. Here
Let
we
him
go.
fly.
Oh. Well. That triple. Here we go. How about that? I'm changing the angle.
Change the angle. That'll do it.
Here we go. And action. Terrible. Change angle, it's worse.
Yep. You were kind of zoning in there, and now you've messed everything up, LPS-Dave.
I feel better, though. I feel better.
Oh, we got a man on third. There's a solid triple.
Whew. So I was able to do them all.
You did a lot of outs, a lot of foul balls,
Yes.
a single, a double, and a triple. Nice job, LPS-Dave.
Let's wrap it up. All right, so anything is possible, Butch.
I like that as a life motto, too. Can I steal that and put it on a t-shirt?
Anything is possible when Butch is involved.
Anything is possible.
I figured it
Everyone's
out.
Crazy
Wait, I figured it out. It's very difficult. You stress out, then you grab your putty and relax.
Then you use the putty.
I'm so relaxed now. I am relaxed. I am relaxed.
Serenity now.
I am relaxed. There you go. Now I got it.
Now it's a poppin'.
Yeah, you hear it popping? The crinkly poppily putty. The crinkly poppily putty. The crinkly poppily putty. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Oh, all right. Yeah, we forgot. I got to end it here. All right. Well, there you go.
Good stuff, LPS.
We have 2 more to show you from that original video. So we'll get to them eventually. Hopefully you enjoyed this one. And as always, thanks for watching Lucky Penny Shop. Good batter up. Later.
It's a long drive. It's going deep, deep, deep. Oh, foul ball. Bye-bye, everybody.
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.